Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video my brother is going to do my makeup. So while also we answer some of the most easy questions about siblings, basically we'll be doing also the how well do you know your sibling challenge. So yeah, if you want to see my face not so cute anymore, then keep on watching. So guys, we have some questions pulled up on my mom's phone and my brother will start doing my makeup now. While we answer the first question, which is, what is their most prized childhood possession?
Probably her Instagram and makeup because she was so obsessed with that. Yeah, my answer would be that.
Vivek's prized possession in his childhood, while he's not so big yet, he's in 10th, but when he was small he was obsessed with cars. He had this whole collection and it was really huge. And he took care of them like they were his babies, literally. And it was so weird to me. But yeah, his prized possession would be his car, definitely. So the foundation is done. He broke my concealer.
I just opened the cap and
Twist.
Oh.
We already know this is gonna be a disaster. So, yeah. So the next question is, what did they do as a little kid that was super embarrassing?
Again, Instagram stories. We literally recently watched her previous Instagram stories and they were full of embarrassment. Literally, I was embarrassed in behalf of her.
Okay. He, as a child, I don't think he did anything embarrassing. What the hell? You must have done something. No, but you must have done something to embarrass us. Well, he's just always socially awkward, which still embarrasses me. He's really socially awkward. Like, if you see him in person, if you don't know him, he would straight up ignore you. He will not talk to you.
I'm talking to a new person, so yeah.
And whereas me, like, if we meet and I don't know you, I might as well, start talking to just get to know you.
She would straight up talk about something that is, behalf of her. Like I do good makeup, I do YouTube.
No,
and
I'm
stuff
not
like
that self-obsessed. Don't worry, he's just making up. Shut up. And you have to blend it.
Oh.
What sports did they play growing up?
Oh, you probably know this one.
Cricket. Duh.
No sports. We are only into social media.
I am not a sports person. Is that a bad thing?
But yeah, definitely she did dancing.
Wait a minute!
But if it
Well, that's a whole story in itself. Me dancing as a... Oh my god, I was so obsessed with the song Crazy Kiya Re. God, help me with those videos. Oh my god, those are so embarrassing. Like, literally. Someday when I, grow up, I'll be making a video reacting to them. But for that, you'll have to subscribe. Like, if I don't have subscribers, I'm not gonna do it.
I'm literally doing this first time.
You edit my videos, you're supposed to know this. Okay, I know you shouldn't help him, but I have to.
I have no idea.
Don't make me a fool. And someone was saying that I'm self-obsessed. Hello?
This is actually perfect. Why is this so good?
Because it's easy. See, I told you it's easy. What did they want to be when they grow up?
You already know it. We literally just, discuss about this. Almost, we can say alternate days. We are consistently talking about this. So we definitely know.
What I wanted to be when I was small.
She wanted to be an actor, definitely.
So bad. Like, I wanted to be an actor so bad that I literally fought with my parents after my 10th grade.
She was obsessed with Alia Bhatt, I guess.
He wanted to be an editor, but he still wants to be one, I guess.
Yeah, I want to be an editor. Actually, editing is something which I do for my life.
And he's brilliantly good at it. You should definitely go to her, you should definitely go to his Instagram to see how amazingly he edits. You can also see my YouTube videos if you want to see his editing skills, because he literally edits all of my videos. It's not me, it's him, you guys. What kind of treats did they want want on their birthdays?
Oh, I know this one. Dosa.
Treats, gifts and
Oh.
treats. Okay, dosa, we both love it.
We
We can have
literally-
it 24/7.
Any day.
Yeah,
There
but
is just no mood
we'll
for it.
talk about gifts for
Okay,
now.
gifts.
He always wanted something crazy like PS4, PS3,
I
some
wasn't-
very expensive video
I wasn't
game.
even talking around hundreds or something. I
Yeah,
was
he-
always around
He was
10,000,
the
20,000
expensive one, basically.
No,
He is
I
the
don't
expensive
have
one.
like childish interests like, I want a car, I want a toy car, I want anything that, relieves me at particular point of time. But, I wanted something that actually I do for my relief. I asked for PS4 and it was straight up no.
Of course, those are expensive.
I want a gift.
Oh, what did I want?
She actually wanted makeup stuff. Normally
I've
something
always
expensive
wanted
makeup.
makeup stuff.
But she haven't done anything like asked begging our parents or something. She haven't never begged. She was happy with whatever she had.
I am the satisfied one.
I'm
basically.
never satisfied.
So he's the expensive one and I'm the satisfied one. You get it. What do you do that still drives them crazy?
I have a lot of things to say. I wake her up every single day. I wake her up and she rages at me. She literally doesn't like anyone that wakes her.
Well, who likes someone waking up from their good sleep?
And I used to come up with some interesting ideas to wake her up. And look here, man. It's fine. It's fine.
Okay, I didn't say. Well, he bosses me around and that pisses me off because I am supposed to be the elder one and
But-
he is so bossy.
I want some things to be on time. I can't just look at some plates and dishes over here all the time.
While he
She-
just keeps wrappers all around everywhere.
She literally
Don't talk.
keeps windows
Don't talk.
closed 24/7 and that also pisses me off.
I actually do
I
that.
come inside the room and it's just so hot in here.
But not in summer, okay? I just do that when it's... Okay. I am not getting some nice questions. Do they prefer dogs or cats?
Dogs.
Dogs.
She would prefer dogs.
If
I
you
prefer both of
follow us on Instagram, you also know the answer to this. I'm not a cat person at all.
But I literally don't understand. I didn't understand the feeling of her not getting a cat. I mean, what's the point? Cats are lazy. They are mean.
Yeah, I mean,
Fam.
see, what my point of view is, I already am lazy. I'm very lazy. So bringing a cat that is also as lazy as me wouldn't make any sense, right?
I'm so concentrated right now. I'm not trying to, mess up my.
Okay, so are they introvert or an extrovert?
I am.
A big introvert.
Big introvert. Should be same.
I should be answering straight, not me.
She is obviously extrovert.
And he's definitely a big introvert.
I accept the situation. I am definitely an introvert. I can't help it. I am my father's favorite.
Okay, so
Really,
the
really.
only eyeliner is left now, and we'll end it off with one last question. What are they most proud of them for?
I mean, what am I proud of? You?
Huh.
I'm proud of her for being consistent. I've never been that consistent. That is my personal learnings from her. So, I appreciate her for setting an example of consistency.
Oh.
And that actually, I took some knowledge from that being consistent does affect. So, क्या लगा रहा है? કેવી રીતના થશે? ના નહીં થશે મારાથી શું થઈ ગયું?
It's okay. Just rest your hand on it. Okay. Again, from far you don't see a lot of mistakes other than me tearing up?
From here, you would never like to do it.
Are you done with this side?
Yeah. And this looks horrible.
Apply the lipstick. I forgot about the lipstick.
Hey, yo. I don't know.
You don't know how to apply lipstick after you applied an eyeliner.
That's the point. Wow, I broke her lipstick.
No, it was already broken.
Okay, so there's no point scolding me now.
Again, it doesn't look that bad on camera. I'm just still shocked that it looks that good on camera.
Let us wait for her holding a mirror and looking at herself from close.
So now I'll go and get a mirror for myself.
Time for me to run.
So we've got the mirror now, and now it's time for the reveal. Even though like I've seen it from afar. Well, the base is really nice. I really love the foundation and everything. I'll give you like 9 out of 10 for the base. 1 point because he hasn't like applied powder nicely on my under eye, but again I did not expect him to be that perfect. The eyeliner is the question mark. Well, this eyeliner is very much nice. Like this is really good.
Oh.
I'd give you like a straight 10 for this eye, but for here, you literally have just done. मतलब वो होता है ना कि भाई पेपर में कुछ आ नहीं रहा है बस लिख दो कुछ. This is that eye, but okay. So for eyes overall, I'll give you like 7.5 to 8 out of 10. That is also not that bad. For lipstick, we have a little, it's going out a little here. So that cuts 1 point. So yeah, that was also like 9. So basically, he did pretty good at this challenge, and we also answered all the questions correctly. So yeah, you can say we are the most coolest siblings ever. So guys, that was it for the video. If you enjoyed this, do follow us on Instagram as well, and let us know if we should do more videos together, because it was totally fun for us as well. We had so fun shooting this. So yeah, basically that was it for the video. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Also follow me on Instagram.
Actually, also follow us on Instagram at SincerelyXBhavi, and
it's me, Vivek.
And we'll see you the next time. Bye bye.